morning, beautiful people. I always start my videos looking crazy as hell. See, my face is swollen. I'm 38 weeks pregnant, y'all. Going on 39. So don't try to do me. And I just woke up. That's why I look like a freaky mess. Today I'm getting my nails done, my hair done, all that good stuff. Right now I'm going to my hair appointment. Low-key running late. Dang, and there's a pileup on the highway. What they got going on? Lord, I hope everybody's safe. Got my cereal here. It's a go cup. And I didn't even get to really do my makeup. But every time I get my hair done, I really like to do my makeup. Because what's the point? Cute hair, no face. Okay, so I'm here. I just texted her. Today, the hairstyle that I'm getting is called French braid curls. I don't know if that's a good idea because it's loose ends. I'm going to labor. And it probably won't last that long. Cute over convenient. Just wanted to try something new. Damn.
Yep, it's regular fried chicken.
This is the fastest I ever got my hair braided.
Literally.
I remember one time I got small braids. I was sitting in a chair for 14 hours.
Oh, fuck no.
14 hours.
14 hours. My booty was about to fall off.
I'm beefing with TikTok right now. They've been doing my views bogus.
Really?
So I been on Instagram.
Yeah.
TikTok is so weird to me.
TikTok is weird because they'll give you really good engagement one day and then the next day you don't show up on nobody's shit. Like, it's evil. Who shot him? Oh Lord.
He wanted to be in it.
The nephew.
Because the nephew was working for them first anyway.
Is it a lot of black people in Colombia?
It's more black people than what people think.
Yeah, it definitely is.
This is my favorite part.
It's time to eat. Right now, unless you start telling us the truth, this is the last
I got it. Thank you.
Just give Davis whatever.
Y'all. Woo! My face looks fat, but I just got my hair done. Y'all seen. I got in there at 9:15ish. She started braiding my hair at 9:30. It's not even 1:30 yet. She was cool as a freak. Like, I'm not going to nobody else. I don't care. She was not expensive. She was cool. She was good vibes. Please don't mind my outfit. So cute. We're birth ready. I could do a middle part. She's eating. Okay, so right now I'm gonna try to get my eyebrows threaded. Let me show you guys what my eyebrows really look like. They are extremely scraggly, like disgustingly. Let's go get that done. I could not find a place, so I had to ask somebody, and they said just keep going straight, which I don't see it, but I'm gonna try again. I found it. Is it okay because I have product in my eyebrows? Should I take it off? How should I do it? I haven't gotten them threaded in a while. It's been like 2 years.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told that lie.
Ooh, they look good.
You are so pretty.
Sorry, yo.
Like that?
Long as you dreaming about me, no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Wow, that's fast. That's super fast. Well, my mustache is gone. I'm at Panera. I got a chicken and a soup. Also, a bagel. Chocolate chip. This chicken and soup just burned every last taste bud off my fucking tongue. Anyways, this eyebrow tint is not a tint. I do not see any difference. The threading is great. Whatever. Okay, I'm leaving. So I'm on the way to my nail appointment. I'll show you guys the nails that I do want. You can see them. Okay. Those are so cute. I feel like they'll be so cute with the baby. I'm gonna get them short and tell her not to do them too sharp around the edges because, you know, they be hella sharp, which I like normally, but I don't want to be cutting my baby up. Guys, I can't believe I'm having a baby in a week. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm here. Probably not gonna record much in there because I'm just already annoyed before this appointment. Blink.
I remember it was like Walmart cost.
Oh no, she gave me a nail file and I left it there. But anyways, yeah, they're cute. Now I'm at the hair store because I need to get eyelashes and mousse for these curls so they can last. And yeah. Okay, I look like I'm going to church. This is my outfit. So I'm gonna go get my toenails done. And I heard that if you get your feet done, get your hand out of here. Not slick. Anyways, I heard that if you get your feet done, it can put you into labor, which is a good thing because I'm done being pregnant. Are we going the right way? Why are we like going to Jefferson City?
No, we're not.
Why does it look like it?
It's the other way. This is the way to school.
Anyways, if it puts me in early labor, I'm not mad because I'm about to be 39 weeks. But chances are it won't. And my feet are so freaking swollen. My hands are swollen. My face is swollen. I'm so over this. If I get a woman to do it, I'm going to ask for somebody different because they don't be going hard enough.
That's weird. They make fun of me.
And I brought my wallet with me.
Me?
Yeah. Why are you smiling so hard?
Because I'm the wallet.
You're proud to be the wallet?
Yes.
Period. I'm gonna do French tip to match the girlies. And one of my toes are fake, so so hopefully they can do something with that. Purr, like a bad bitch should.
Wait, is this going on TikTok?
We took my car, but somehow we ended up at the gas station and my car's not even out of gas, but this man wants to fill up my tank. Period. Like a real man should. Okay. Hey y'all. So it's a new freaking day. My lips are dry, but today I'm getting my eyelashes done. I actually hate going to get my eyelashes done because I'm the girl that twitches. I feel so bad for the eyelash techs because I'm sure they hate it. Yeah, I want to do like wispy volume, something that'll last. So by the time I have this baby, I won't have one eyelash left. That's why I'm gonna do it hella filled. I found everybody that's doing my stuff. I found them on Instagram. It's my first time going to everybody. So I'm kind of just like testing stuff out in Columbia. My nail tech, I thought she was good, but I probably won't go back there. Hair, definitely going back there. And now we just gotta see about the eyelashes. Getting my lashes done. And she let me do it on her bed. Because I'm pregnant. How sweet. Okay, now good night. Good morning. I was so asleep. These are the lashes. I think she did a really good job and she was like super cool and stuff. Super accommodating because I was laying on my side and on her bed. But I don't know. Maybe with my makeup done and stuff too and my face not swollen because I just woke up. Maybe it'll be cute then. Normally I get volume, so right now I feel like I'm giving Spider. My mom is going to hate these. She comes in on Wednesday. She's going to absolutely hate these. But she'll like them by the time I'm ready to have this baby. Which, I was cramping in there. My stomach was like, I was like, are you coming right now? Maybe. I just went to go get my Walgreens picture. And one of Jake's teammates' girlfriends works there. She was like, I think I seen you on TikTok. And I was like, because I feel like a catfish, guys. My face is so fat. I look like I just woke up. I'm like, damn. But literally everybody in Colombia, like all these men are in relationships. This is so much different than Miami because Miami, nobody was in a relationship. Like them niggas do not date. I love it. They want to settle down. That's beautiful. That's very much different than Miami though. Okay, so here's the lashes at home. I put on some concealer. They look so much better now. I just needed to not have fat ass bags under my eyes. But anyways, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for tuning in. And the next video I have, I'll probably have a baby. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.